Hello everyone on Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel. Every evening at 8 o'clock, we will upload a video answering students' questions. If you don't want to miss any of our upcoming videos, please make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Next, be sure to tap the notification bell icon so that the next time we release a new video, you will be among the very first to see it. In today's video, we are going to answer a specific question from one of our students. You are asking whether OPTITEX software allows linking like lecture does, right? My answer is yes, and I will show you how to do it. So you will go into the extraction command in the build section. Look down below, you'll see a command called, here it is. Welcome to the build zone. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-Z. After that, carefully select the specific area that you want to extract. Here, for example, I will extract this particular pocket section. As you can clearly see, this pocket has been cut along many different lines all around it. So, we need to meticulously select every single one of the areas that this pocket passes through, right? After that, click the left mouse button again on the area we've already selected. When this window appears down here, look at the panel below, okay? Click on the Create Pit button for me. There, immediately you'll see a detail appear right here. Press Z to end this command. Press Z to finish the command, then grab this detail. I'll move this detail over there a bit. So, what does it mean to link a detail? For example, if you modify this original detail, the linked piece will update accordingly. Let's try it out. Now, I'm going to try moving this pocket down to make it deeper, let's say 2 centimeters deeper than it was before. Please take a close look at the pocket that I just separated, okay? There you can see that the pocket, after being separated, has already been extended. Here, take a look at this. This is how it looks after the final editing. And this is how it looked before any editing. See that? If you want to learn more in depth about the OPTITEX software, you can check out the website of PDS Fashion Academy. And if you need further consultation, you can message me on Zalo using the phone number displayed on the screen, and I will advise you. Goodbye. See you again in the next Q&A videos.